Hi, my name is Muhammad Hazwan. In this recording, I will explain the process I followed in CATIA V5 to reconstruct half of the rear car using 3D scan data. I will show how I used mesh on curve and fill tools to build the surface step by step. For the first step, importing scan data. First, I imported the 3D scan data into CATIA. This can provide the raw geometry of the rear car section. You can see the mesh point and curve that define the shape of the panel. For the second step, mesh on curve. Next, I applied the mesh on curve function. I made the mesh on curve small to ensure the surface would be smooth and achieve G1 continuity or better. By carefully tracing the scan data, I generate the guiding curve that follows the main features of the rear car, such as the wheel arch and body lines. This step was important to control the flow of the surface and prepare the accurate reconstruction. For the third step, surface creation with fill. Once the guiding curve were ready, I used the fill tools to create surfaces. I was careful to place the fill patches nicely so the edge looked smooth and connected properly. Each fill surface was adjusted to follow the scan data closely, ensuring the reconstructed geometry matched the original shape. By combining small mesh curve with a well-placed fill surface, the model achieved a continuous and clean appearance. For the fourth step, refinement and continuity. After creating the surface, I refined the joints between them. The goal was to make sure the surface connected seamlessly without visible gaps or misalignment. By carefully managing the mesh on curve and fill parameters, I achieved smooth edges and consistent continuity across the reconstructed half of the rear car. In summary, the reconstruction process involves importing the scan data, generating small mesh on curve to ensure smoothness, and using the fill tools carefully to build clean surfaces with smooth edges. This workflow allowed me to recreate half of the car accurately based on the scan data. Thank you for watching.